Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. Normally we do a lot of content on the FZ6R. We're going to do a little bit of content on this Ninja 400 right now. The last video I posted up, it was an unboxing of a Monster Fairings kit for this bike. But what I didn't show you, I didn't actually open all the wrapping to see what the design is. So I'm going to do a quick video today on this long weekend in Canada and the US, and I'm going to show you the fairing kit that I've designed for this bike with the help of Monster Fairings. Alright guys, without further ado, let me take you upstairs. I already have it all unpackaged, like I have all the foam off it, so I'm not going to waste any time unpacking any more stuff because I need to get this fairing kit on the bike, because the plan is to sell this bike hopefully before summer ends. So, okay, let me take you upstairs. Let me show you the fairings. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to show you what was in the box under all the wrapping. Let's get some lights on. Alright, so before I show you the new fairings, these are the old fairings that I have off the bike. There's a lot of scuffs and damage on the fairings. Enough that it warranted me buying a new fairing kit. So, I don't even know where to start. There's a lot of stuff here on the bed, so let's start with, let's start with this. Let's start with some of our side fairings. They are a race-inspired design. I've tried not to show too much all at once. This is very close to like a stock Kawasaki bottom fairing. Oh, I don't know where to go here. Okay, so I'm going to show you the tank cover. Again, I don't want to reveal too much, so I'm slowly moving the camera here. Alright. Let me zoom over to the other lower fairings. And again, this is a matte black design that I've picked for the bike. I've seen a lot of bikes in matte color lately, and I think it looks absolutely fabulous. Okay, here's our nose cowl. I added some green on the nose cowl, just to keep it Kawasaki, basically. Okay guys, now here comes the piece de resistance. This is what's going to tie all the bike together here. You ready? Okay, here we go. Here's our side fairings. Bam! Look at that, guys. This is not a kit you can buy on Monster Fairings website at the moment, but maybe they'll put my kit up and maybe you can purchase it. I don't know. So there's our side fairings. Here's our tail section, and we have a basically a rear seat eliminator, a cowl. Got the Monster logos on the rear tail section. And we have our front fender again with a nice Monster logo on it. So yeah, now let me step back and zoom out here. Like, you're gonna see like the complexity kind of this project, guys. There is a lot of fairing pieces here, and that's not all of them. I still have like little tiny pieces that have to get built into the side fairings. So I need to kind of strip these down, take off the pieces like the lights. All that stuff has to come off, all the hardware, the brackets, the screws. And it's all going to get put back together and then assembled on the bike. Alright guys, so that's the big reveal for the Ninja 400. We are doing a Monster Energy Monster Fairings edition. And I think it's going to look pretty cool, guys. Let me know what you think. I mean, I understand maybe not a lot of people like green. Maybe a lot of people don't like the Monster Energy logos. Let me know what you think, guys. Yeah, so drop a comment in the video. And if you're out there riding on this long weekend, guys, ride safe.